Okay, so I know that you guys hate word problems, but I'm going to help you with these. This is going to be the first page. The front page will be the one with the perimeter, and this is the first one we're going to do. But before we do that, go to the one that talks about the pens and the pencils. Okay, go look at that one, because I have to change some of these numbers. They're not going to work if you leave them like this. So let's change them. This should be $3.41. And then the other one should be $3. I don't know if it's going to fit right here. $3.13. Okay? Change it, because if not, it's not going to work. Now let's go back to the perimeter one. I'm going to do this one, all of it. We're not going to do the table for any of these, so don't worry about the tables, because we're going to be doing matrix for all of them. So don't worry about the tables, but do worry about the rest of the stuff. So this first problem is talking about perimeter of a rectangle. So we know that perimeter of a rectangle, the formula is 2L plus 2W. And it says right here that the perimeter equals 268. So I have 2L plus 2W equals 68. That's perimeter of a rectangle. Okay? It also says that the length is, that's equal. L equals, and I'm just going to line them up already. L equals 4 centimeters more than, so plus, but flip it, twice the width. So plus 4. And then right here in front, it says twice the width. So that's 2W. Okay, so L equals 2W plus 4. And remember, we line them up so that my L's are lining up, and my equal is lining up, and my numbers are almost lining up. But we need to move the W over here, change the sign so that it can be ready for matrix. Okay? So now it's ready for matrix. I have 2L plus 2W equals 68, and I have 1L minus 2W equals 4. And this is an invisible one, don't forget. So now I can put this in matrix and find the solution. Okay? Find my solution. So let's go ahead and find the solution for this one in the calculator. So I have second matrix, arrow over to edit, enter. Make sure that it's a 2 by 3, so 2 enter, 3 enter. Mine was already there. And put the numbers in there. So I have 2 enter, 68 enter, because that's 2L plus 2W equals 68. And then I have 1L enter, negative 2 enter, and 4 enter. Okay? When you're done filling it in, you quit. So second mode, then you go back to second matrix and over to math. Go up to where you see RREF, 2 R's. Okay, so that's my B. Enter one time. Make sure that the blinker is right after the parentheses. And then we're going to press second matrix, enter, enter again. Okay, so that gives you one solution, right? This means one solution, and the solution is 24, 10. So go ahead and write that down on your paper. So I have 24, 10. And let's go back to our equation. So the first letter that I put in there was L, so this is my length. And the second letter that I put in there was my W, so this is my width. That means my length equals 24 centimeters, and my width equals 10 centimeters. Oops. Okay? So that's what I want you to do for all the problems, and I also want you to check the solution. So this is how you're going to check it. You're going to use the formulas, the equations that you wrote at the very beginning. So 2L plus 2W equals 68. And you're going to put parentheses around the L and the W. So 2 parentheses, that's my L, plus 2 parentheses, that's my W, equals 68. Okay? And then you're going to use the other formula, which was L equals 2W plus 4. L equals 2W plus 4. And you're going to change the letters to parentheses. That's L equal 2W plus 4. And we're going to plug in the numbers that we found. So we found that L is 24. So everywhere I see an L, I'm going to put 24. And we found that W equals to 10. So everywhere I see a W, I'm going to put a 10. Okay? Put this in the calculator and press enter. See if it gives you 64. And then put this in the calculator and see if it gives you 24. Okay? So let's go put it in the calculator. So clear. We're going to put 2 parentheses 24 close parentheses plus 2 parentheses 10 close parentheses enter. And see if it gives you 68. And it does. So check. That one is checked off. And then the other one was 2 parentheses 10 close parentheses plus 4. And when you press enter, see if it gives you the other side, which is 24. And it does. So once you see that both of them work, then you know that you did it right and that your solutions are correct. So put a check for both that you checked the solution. Okay? The next video, I'm only going to show you how to set up the equations for these scenarios. So if you don't know how to set up the equations for the scenarios, make sure that you watch that. The easy part is putting it in matrix. The hard part is writing the equations.